Hello students, now myself Manoj Kumar, I am going to explain chapter 8 addition and subtraction of the fractions. In this chapter we will discuss about how can we add the any two numbers which is fractions and how can we subtract the any two numbers. Now in this video we will discuss about addition of fractions. Now our topic will be additions of fractions. Now here are the many type of the fractions are possible. First we will discuss about the addition of like fractions. Addition of fractions here, this is the A part. In this part we will discuss about addition of like fraction. Addition of like fractions. Okay, now student, you know very well about that in the previous chapters. What is the fractions, what is the proper fraction and what is the improper fraction, and what is the like fractions. And now here is the word is the like fraction. You know that like fractions are those fractions whose denominators are equal. Now here we consider, let us take an example by these examples. 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Now here we see 3 by 5 and 1 by 5 are the like fractions. And now how can we adding them? We can adding them by taking in this way. Formula is given that this is the formula, sum of like fractions, sum of like fractions is equal to sum of numerators and common denominator Okay children, how can we do it? Sum of like fractions, this is the like fractions. We can do it sum of the numerator by common denominators. Now according to this, 3 and 1 are the numerators. 3 is the numerator of the first fractions and 1 is the numerator of the second fractions. And now how can we adding them? We can adding them 3 plus 1, sum of the numerators, and the common denominators. 5 is the common denominators of both the fractions. What is the meaning of the common denominators? Common denominator means the numbers which comes in the both the fractions, both the denominator, both the fractions. Now here we see this is the 5. When we adding them 3 plus 1, we get the 4 by 5. Okay children, in this way we can solve the like fractions. Addition of the fraction, addition of the like fraction. In this category we will discuss about addition of like fraction. Addition of like fraction, this is the formula. Sum of the like fraction is equal to sum of the numerators by common the denominators. 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5. This is the examples. Here we see that 3 by 5 and 1 by 5 are the like denominators. Why it is called the like denominators? Because the denominators are same. So this is the like denominator. Okay children. Now 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and this is the 5. Okay. Now let us take another examples. This is the first examples of here, and now let us take the another examples for this type of the questions. Now example number 2. Let us take an examples is here. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus and 4 by 3. 5 by 3, 6 by 3. Okay. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 6 by 3. How can we adding them? Now these are the also a like denominators. So when we adding them and 3 as a common denominators of all the 3 fractions. Now here is the 2 plus 1 plus 6. We get the 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 9 by 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. Okay, now in this way we can find the 3 by 1. But in the simple way we can write only the 3. Now here is the 9 by 3. When we adding them we get the 9 by 3. But 9 by 3 is not a simplest form. To change into the simplest form also. So here we see when we divide 3 to this 9. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. That is get 3 by 1 is equal to 3. We have already learned about how can we change the improper fraction into the standard form. Okay, now this is the answer is here. This is the another type of the questions where we change into the standard form of the the answer of the sum or the like fractions. Now children, this is the part of addition of the like fraction. Now in this way you can understand that if the many numbers of the fractions which are like to each other, then we can solve in this way, adding all the numerators of the all the fractions and write the only one as a denominator which is common to the all fractions. Okay, now we go to the next topic. Next topic is here, addition of unlike fractions. Now second is the part is addition of unlike fractions. What will we do? When addition of unlike fractions. Unlike fraction, you know that about that. Unlike fractions are those fractions whose denominator are not equal to each other. It means the denominators are not equal to each other. And how can we adding them? Now let us take an example to understand this. Now let us take the first example of this. What is the first example? Now consider that 3 by 4. Now we will consider 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Okay. Now this is your examples, 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Here we see 4 and the 6 are the denominator of the two fractions which are not equal. It means which are not same. So these are the unlike fractions. Now for this purpose we can adding them. Firstly we will find the LCM of 4 and 6. Okay, you know very well about that. How can we find the LCM? In the previous classes, previous chapters, we have already discussed how can we find the LCM. We can find the LCM by using the many type of the method, such as by using the subtraction method, by using the prime factorization method, and so on. Now, but in this questions, we will find the LCM by using the shortcut method of division. And now how can we that? 2. Here we see 2 is the numbers which divide 4 and the 6 both exactly. 2 to the 4 and 2 to the 6. Now here we see that there is no number other than 1 which divide this 2 and the 3 both. So our LCM process is stopped. Now from this 2 multiply 2 into 3, 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. So student, we can find the LCM of any two numbers in this way. Now how can we do it? Now we go to the questions 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Now write the 12 as a common denominators of the 4 and the 6. For this, now we will divide this 12 by 4. 12 divided by 4. Okay, 12 divided by 4. When we divide 12 by 4, no, we get the quotient is 3. How can we do it? Yes, 4 3 is 12. You know very well about that. This is the quotient, and this is the divisor, and this is the dividend, this is the remainder. Now this is the 3, and this quotient is multiplied this number. Okay. Now once again, this 6 is the denominator of this number. 6 divided to this 12. 12 divided by 6, we get the 3. Oh no, sorry. We find the 2 is the okay. Now here is not seen that 3 by 4, and how can we do it? 3 into 3. So now in this way we can write here as 12, and 3 4 are 12 and 3. Now when we divide this 4, 12 divided by 4, 4 3 are 12, and 3 multiplied this number, 3 3 are 9, and 6 divided to this 12, we get the 4 as a 6 2 are 12, and now 2 is multiplied this 5. Now 9 plus 10 is equal to 19 by 12, and now we can change into the mixed fraction. And how can we change into the mixed fraction? We can divide it. So we get the 12 1 12, and 7 by 12. 1 whole 7 by 12. This is your answer. Okay children. So now children, in this way we can solve these questions. Addition of the unlike fraction 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Let us take an example to understand. Firstly, we find the LCM of the 4 and the 6. So now we can use the LCM by shortcut method. 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12 is the LCM. Now write the 12 is here. Now divide this 4, this 12. 4 3 is 12, and now the quotient is multiplied this numerator. 3 into 3, 3 into 3, we get the 9. 6 divided to 12 in the 2 times. Now 5 multiplied 2, we get the 10. 10. Now when we adding them, 9 plus 10 is equal to 19 by the 12. We get just 1 whole 7 by 12. Okay children. Now thank you for watching my video, and in the next video we will discuss about the many type of the questions, such as addition of the mixed fraction and subtraction of the like and unlike fraction. Thank you for watching my video.